Alright, so in this video I'm going to show to you how are you going to fix your Kindle if ever it is stuck in this screen and you have done your best, you have done all the protocols, you have done all the troubleshooting, just like restarting or charging it or whatsoever, it's still stuck in this display. So the thing here is just, this is really an issue with Kindle, but there is a resolution to this. So just a brief background, I've charged this for over 8 hours and still stuck with this. I've researched online and I found a solution. So bear with me as we go through this troubleshooting. Okay, so what we have to do is, by the way, what I'm using, my charging port is still the old USB. So this is not a USB-C, as you can see there, it's not yet USB-C. So this is the troubleshooting. Follow through with me. So you have to hold the on button for 40 seconds. So this one, okay, you have to hold this part for 40 seconds and you will see some blinking that would happen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I've released it again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. It's slippery. Go and click it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so with that we saw that it is the last blinking there. So we saw at least 3 to 4 resets there, so that's okay, the system is reset. So now the next step, so after you do that, the next step is for you to charge it now on your laptop. Okay, don't charge it on such ports like this, okay, not on some USB ports, okay, like this, not like this one. Don't charge it there, better to charge it in your laptop. So the dedication here, or the requirement here, is that to charge it over a laptop because it's more stable. It adjusts with what this Kindle needs and not based on the wattage of that charger. Okay, so we will charge that, and here's the thing, every 20 minutes to 20 minutes you do the same process. So what we're going to do is like this. Okay, I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to put my phone here so it's here. Okay, so we will charge the Kindle. So I'll be charging this. Here's this, so critical, for the next 8 hours. So spend your day, maybe you're just working on your laptop for the whole day, just charge it like that and you will see that, let's wait for a while, has to have that orange color, that one. Okay, so you will charge this for over 8 hours. So take note, as you charge it, you have to go back every now and then to check, to do the same process. You're gonna, while charging this, while this is still charge, okay, it's connected there and here, so you'll notice it has to be, you have to hold this for 20 to 40 seconds or for 40 seconds. I will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so here's the thing. It will turn to like that again, and then after 30 minutes, go back to this and then press that again. So for now, so that is for the next 8 hours. So in 8 hours, you have to do 16 times. You have to do that 16 times. Okay? So we will go back after 8 hours. I'll be doing it interval. It's just say after 30 minutes, I will do it again. After 30 minutes, I will do it again. So 8 times 2. So 16 times. And then let's see if it will turn on again. Okay? I will pause this video and go back to that process. Alright, just a quick update after doing it. That same process for at least the last, I think, 3 hours. So most probably this will work for you. It depends on your your gadget. This might work faster for you. So again, it is still charging. So after 3 hours of doing the same process, finally this opening and it is showing this. It's now loading like that. So I will keep you posted after a few more hours. So this is just a 3 hour mark charging, so it keeps on doing this. So let's see after let's say 5 4 let's say. I'll just keep you posted once it opens. Thank you. Woohoo! Alright, so after doing this for 4 hours, I didn't wait for 8 hours, so it now turned on. There you go. So it was successful just by doing that process, that every 30 minutes once you charge it, press this for every 30 minutes 40 seconds, and now it is turned on. Woohoo! Look at the screen. Let's try to open it. So take note, it is just for 4 hours. Okay, so it's now turned on. There you go. There you go. It's now at 11%. So most probably this will be fully charged in the next, because it is not USB-C, it will be fully charged in the next 4 hours or so, hopefully 3 hours. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and let me know in the comment section. Just type in fixed if it is already fixed from your end. So thank you, and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you out. Thank you.